Okay, so we're doing number 2 from section 3 of the review packet, and the question is asking to look at the figure below. For each of the statements below, state which lines can be proved parallel and why. So for A, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2. For B, angle 4 is supplementary to angle 5. And for C, angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. All right, answering part A, I have if the two lines in a transversal form a set of angles in the same position relative to each line, or corresponding angles, then the lines are parallel. So basically, this is the converse of the corresponding angle postulate, meaning that we already know that these two angles, angle 1 and 2, are congruent, and they are in the same position relative to this line N and line P. So we know that they are congruent, and because of this, we can say that the lines N and P are parallel. Okay, so answering part B, I have if the two lines and a transversal form a set of supplementary angles which are on the same side of the interior of the lines, or same side interior angle, then the lines are parallel. All right, so this is basically the converse of the same side interior angles theorem. And because that we know that these two angles, angles 4 and 5, are supplementary, and they are on the same line or same side of line N, we know that they are same side interior angles. And because of this, we can say that the two lines are parallel. All right, finally for part C, I have if the two lines in a transversal form a set of congruent angles on alternate sides of the interior of these lines, or alternate interior angles, then the lines N and P are parallel. So this is the converse of alternate interior angles theorem, because we know that angles 3 and angle 4 are congruent. We can tell just from looking that they are alternate interior angles because they are on the inside and they are alternate angles. And because we know that they are alternate interior angles and they share the line N, that lines N and P are parallel.